guys, today I'm back with some sushi nails, and if you want to know how I did these, keep watching. So I started off with my Moyu London Kawaii 03 plate. I stamped this selection of sushi in black. And then leaving it on the stamper, I just filled it in with various polishes to create the sushi. And here I have to confess to you, I've never actually eaten sushi before. So yeah, because there's no restaurants around near me to eat it, and I wouldn't dare make it myself because it just wouldn't be the same. And once I'd finished all that, I painted my ring finger with this cream polish. And then to create a sticky base, I just applied a glossy top coat and waited just over a minute for it to be tacky and stamped that decal straight on my nail. And I just went in with a brush and acetone to clean up my cuticles and around the nail. And then back with that same Kawaii 03 plate, I stamped the little rice mountain. And I just filled that in with white. And then with that same plate, I stamped a little single piece of sushi. And then I filled the rice in white. Leaving it on the stamper, as you can see. And then, I presumed it's a piece of salmon, so I just painted it with a salmon pink. Then whilst those decals were drying, I painted the index and pinky finger in this lime green colour. And once that was dry, like before, I applied a glossy top coat and waited for that to go tacky, where I just stamped these decals directly onto the nail. And then for my middle finger, I painted with that same salmon pink I used before. And then with my Moyu London cookbook, only what number it is below, and a white stamping polish, I just stamped this little sign that says, "I love sushi." Although, I've never eaten it, so I'm a bit of a hypocrite. But I had to use that Moyu London plate with the sushi on the kawaii one, it's so cute. So I just stamped that directly on my nail, and then with an acetone and a cleanup brush, I just cleaned around my cuticles. And then I just applied a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these sushi nails. And even though I've never eaten sushi, I love how these come out, they're great. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up or leave a comment below, and subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching, bye!